In our increasingly digital world, data privacy has emerged as a critical issue that affects individuals, businesses, and governments alike. As we navigate the vast online landscape, our personal information is constantly being collected, shared, and stored. From social media interactions to online shopping, every click leaves a digital footprint. But what does data privacy really mean, and why is it so important? Let's delve into the concept of data privacy, explore its implications, and discuss what you need to know to protect yourself in this digital age. At its core, data privacy refers to the proper handling, processing, and storage of personal information. This includes how data is collected, used, and shared by organizations. Personal data can encompass a wide range of information, from names and addresses to more sensitive details like financial information, health records, and online behavior. With the rise of big data and analytics, the ability to collect and analyze vast amounts of personal information has grown exponentially, raising significant concerns about how this data is used and protected. Data privacy is not just a technical issue, it is a fundamental human right. Individuals have the right to control their personal information and decide who can access it. This right is enshrined in various laws and regulations around the world, such as the General Data Protection Regulation (GDPR) in the European Union and the California Consumer Privacy Act (CCPA) in the United States. These laws aim to empower individuals by granting them more control over their data and holding organizations accountable for their data practices. The significance of data privacy cannot be overstated. As more of our lives are conducted online, the amount of personal information available to companies and governments has skyrocketed. This data can be incredibly valuable, leading to its misuse or exploitation. While individuals play a crucial role in protecting their data, organizations also have a responsibility to uphold data privacy standards. Companies must prioritize data protection by implementing robust security measures, conducting regular audits, and ensuring compliance with applicable laws. Transparency is key. Organizations should clearly communicate their data practices to consumers and obtain informed consent before collecting or sharing personal information. Moreover, businesses should invest in training employees on data privacy best practices. This includes understanding how to handle sensitive information, recognizing phishing attempts, and adhering to security protocols. By fostering a culture of data privacy, organizations can mitigate risks and build trust with their customers. As technology continues to evolve, so too will the challenges and opportunities surrounding data privacy. With the rise of artificial intelligence, machine learning, and the Internet of Things (IoT), the amount of data generated will only increase. This presents both risks and potential benefits. While more data can lead to personalized experiences and innovations, it also raises concerns about surveillance and data misuse. Regulatory frameworks will need to adapt to keep pace with technological advancements. Policymakers must strike a balance between fostering innovation and protecting individual rights. As consumers, we must advocate for strong data privacy protections and hold organizations accountable for their practices. In conclusion, understanding data privacy is essential in our digital age. As we navigate online spaces, we must be aware of the risks to our personal information and take proactive steps to protect ourselves. Data privacy is not just an individual concern, it is a collective responsibility that involves individuals, businesses, and governments. By prioritizing data protection and advocating for transparency, we can create a safer digital environment for everyone. The journey toward better data privacy is ongoing, and it requires our active participation and vigilance. Let's embrace this challenge together and work toward a future where our personal information is respected and safeguarded.